just have some patience with me. Please just have some patience with me. I'm just trying to right my wrongs. Trying to right my wrongs. Trying to right my wrongs with you. All the times that I pushed you aside.
Yes, baby.
You still put up on my side.
Can't wait to see me tonight.
I know I'm by my side.
Okay, baby. Remember to keep the fork for the second.
Patience with me is all that I ask. Patience with me is all that I ask. Patience with me is all that I ask. You might not make sense yet. It's gonna take some time. I've been focused on the grind. Made some idols in my life. Gotta break free. Patience with me is all that I ask. Patience with me is all that I ask. Patience with me is all that I ask. All I'm asking for is some patience. About you, say, since your only time is to save me, I'ma do the most to make it see. You're welcome. You kiss me on my feet, yeah. On my feet, I feel your glory, yeah. No defeat, only victories, yeah. I don't recall being ready, but when I called out, you heard me, and my heart was so dirty. Your blood was blue. Let me come up on it. Think about you.
Child, why is it hot already? What is it saying? It's 30 degrees outside. We're in the car. It's 8:09, so we're not exactly early, but if there's no traffic, we should be fine. Yeah, so I'm wearing this little dress. I wore it yesterday for like 2 hours or so, but I feel super cute. So, and we didn't go anywhere. We went to family, so I'm like, I'm wearing it again this morning. I woke up with another headache this morning. Yesterday I had a headache, woke up with a headache like after 3 in the morning. This morning I woke up like after 3 in the morning, but I think the issue with waking up is I'm having night sweats. So I had night sweats last night and the night before. This morning the headache came on, but not like after 3, like closer to the start of the day, closer to when the sun was coming out. So I took my Midol again. So I didn't have any coffee because the Midol has caffeine in there. So no coffee yesterday, no coffee today so far. I don't know. Like yesterday in the evening I was feeling for coffee, so I think maybe I should get some decaf in the house because my love for coffee is not about the caffeine. So I was just feeling for the taste of coffee. So coffee is a happy place for me because of my grandfather. He was a farmer, and one of the things that he grew was coffee, so we were involved in the coffee. The coffee that he grew was close to the house. He had a farm that was far away, but the coffee was close to the house. We could just walk out to we had like a grove of avocado trees, and it was mostly avocado trees, but there were other trees there, and there was coffee along there as well. So like so we would get to pick the coffee. So we would pick the coffee, and he would roast them, parching them, I think they call it, have it out in the sun, and then he would make his own coffee. So like coffee is just a happy childhood. Yeah, so tell me why I bring my child to school and there's no school today. There's no school today. So anyhow, the barber is right next to school, so we're just gonna go to the barber.